Hello and welcome to the course.
There is no doubt that this will help lots and lots of people like you onto the ladder, able to start writing orchestral music for the first time.
The room contributes so much to the sound and the quality and the joy of our music. And being able to pull these instruments into your tracks recorded in this room, it's something really special.
You could be new to both writing music and orchestral composition. Welcome aboard. If you look at the strings as a section, it is quite homogeneous. The sound flows fairly logically without any major tonal differences from the violins all the way down to the basses. The makeup of the orchestra is entirely designed to make the whole thing sort of balance together. What you have to do when you're trying to create a line with sample orchestration is to combine different articulations to make a line which sounds convincing. But it requires you to squeeze the emotion out of it. It's like building a mosaic, that when you look at a mosaic, particularly from a distance through half-closed eyes, it looks like a painting. But when you get up, you can see it's all these little tiny individual tiles. That is how it works when you put sample orchestration together. But the point is that you've got essentially your full orchestra just sitting there waiting for you to write something. I mean, what a gift! Imagine what Mozart would have done with this. Would have blown his mind. You see, that the number of possibilities available to you are only really limited by your imagination. You can get into this whole theme and variations thing. You can use pedal notes. This is just opening the door to this enormous world of possibilities. And all this is really fun. And all this is with a free library. What's not to like, honestly? Because it's all about creative satisfaction and fun. I originally was working for the BBC as a news presenter, and you're only ever as good as your last broadcast. But when I moved full-time into writing music for a living, if I had a really good day and I wrote a really, really great piece of music, it's always there. And that is a lasting sense of satisfaction. 40 years on, I can look back at a piece of music I wrote and think, you nailed it. And I want you to be able to explore that as well.